Hi, I'm Gary, and WindSail AI was created to help people like you learn how to get proficient and productive with AI just as fast as you can. It's something that I've been working on over the last several months and really have been amazed at the productivity gains that I have and how powerful it is. This actual app is the capstone of my initial journey. I vibe coded using a thing called Lovable, and it really takes all the stuff that I've learned and put it into one place. I did this because I wanted to help my friends and coworkers who weren't sure where to start, how to learn AI quickly. And I didn't find things that were really approachable and simple and engaging. And that's why we use storytelling through the story of Bob the Optimist, a hapless founder who's creating new products and what his journey is and how he uses AI to help him be successful. And so we broke this into 5 segments. In each of them, you'll have three real world tasks that you can apply in your personal or business life. First is writing emails and making better emails, better social media posts, and notes from meetings. Also, a way to take all those ideas and the creativity in your head and get it on paper and summarize strategies and documents that can be very impactful. How to use AI to brainstorm visually, creating new products, designing new experiences, designing your home. Research like an analyst. The final one is to create compelling presentations very, very quickly. I hope you enjoy and have fun with this journey and take those tasks one by one, and you will be amazed at the end how much more productive you are and how AI could be an incredible habit for you. Have fun. Thanks for coming.